Here I am at my local CVS pharmacy. What we got here is a 2003 Cool Breeze table fan. Just found this one. The informations are at the bottom. This one is made by Kuo-Jung Electrical, the Shenzhen Company Limited. As you can see right there's a Cool Breeze. The model number is EB22013. And this one's from 2003. Now, I don't know about this fan. What I know is that this one, the front grill is missing. Kind of looks like one of those early 2000s, late 90s Lakewood fans made by Cool Horn. But, jeez. This motor cover has an interesting design, but it's pretty much gone now. It's so brittle. It just breaks that easily. I'm not joking. It stinks. But anyways, I'm gonna test it and see if it works. I have plugged it somewhere over there. Here's slow speed. Wow. The bearings are very stiff, but it still works. Even with the huge amount of dust it has in the inside right here. Look at that. Here's number 2. Oh, that's actually a good breeze. I'll just put this right here. Here's high speed. Oh boy, I just hope I don't get copyrighted. Or the song's playing in the background. Oh well, okay. I'm surprised that thing still works. Alright. Let me see. Let me just turn it off. Spin down is not so great, but I'm surprised it still works, but jeez. This thing and also the base, they're both very brittle. So I'm gonna have to do something about that. I don't know about the base at this point. I'm not sure if I should repaint it or not, because the plastic used on this is a bit thinner than the one on the Aaron's and the Holmes table fans. So I don't know. I might end up keeping the blade, because surprisingly this is the only good thing that it's the only part that's in perfect condition. So I don't know. But yeah, so far I think I'm gonna only keep the motor and the blade set, because they're the only good parts. The rest of the fan is pretty much gone. Well, that's gonna do it for the 2003 Cool Breeze table fan, the testing of the fan. Thank you for watching.